if you have it enabled, you can use slash commands to fill. Now the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write down some coordinates. It's going to help me out a lot. So I have 2, 3, 3, 2, 67, and 1. So that is where I'm standing right now. You can see the coordinates in the upper left-hand corner. I'm going to push escape. I'm going to go to settings. If you scroll down, you'll notice that it says show coordinates. So that's how I'm going to be able to get those if you don't see them. Resume the game. All right. So I'm going to write down that number, and then I'm going to move forward. I'm actually going diagonal a little bit. So I'm going to do 23, 40, 67, and 7. So that is 2 coordinate numbers. I'm going to do slash. So that is the slash on your keyboard where the question mark is, and it brings up this slash command bar. So under slash, I want to do FILL to fill. I'm going to fill in this particular area with some block. So I'm going to start at 2, 3, 3, 2, 6, 7, and 1. I'm going to go to 2, 3, 4, 0, 6, 7, and 7. And so that's going to have it fill between those 2 coordinates. So I am going to be able to fill it with anything. I'm going to do planks. If you start typing the block name, it will give you the suggestions on the side, so you can see how exactly you have to type this. So I'm going to do planks and enter. There we go. And you can see that it just filled in that entire area with planks. Let's try that again. I'm going to come down here. My coordinate is 23, 47, 65, and negative 3. Now I'm going to move forward here. And my new coordinate ends in a negative 22. I'm actually going to start with the 23, 47. So I'm going to do, come over here and look, slash fill space 23, 47, 65, negative 3. And I'm going to do 23, 47, 65, negative 23. And I'm going to fill that particular piece with red underscore flower. Enter. All right, there they are over there. Now, why did that happen? Because flowers don't work out on sand, but you can see I made a nice little row of them on the grass. So I'm going to try that again. I'm going to come over here. I'm at 23, 57, 64, 0. And I'm going to go this way. I can see that the numbers are getting negative. So I'm going to do slash fill space 23, 57, space 64, space 0. I'm going to start there, and then we're going to go 23, 57, 64, and then I'm going to go to negative 50. And I'm going to fill it with red flower. There we go. You can see I made a nice, neat row of those, so it makes it really convenient to be able to place things down quickly. I'm going to write down these coordinates right here. 23, 62, 64, negative 23. I'm going to come diagonally 23, 70, 64, negative 17. Now this is going to make a rectangle when I put in those coordinates. Slash 23, 62, 64. Oops, I got to fill it. FILL 23, 62, 64, negative 23 to 23, 70, 64, negative 17. And I want to fill that with oak, stairs. And I'm only doing this to show you that you can fill it with any block that you want. Push enter. And you see I have a whole bunch of stairs, which really seems kind of silly. But you can do that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the slash key. So I'm back in the slash commands. I'm going to push the up arrow. It's going to bring me back to that same fill that I just did. I'm like, oh, I did not want oak stairs. That looks silly. So I'm going to just back that up. I'm going to edit it to planks. And you can see that I now have a rectangle of planks. I'm going to do the slash key. I'm going to use the up arrow. Brings back the history of my slash commands. I'm going to use the left arrow to say I don't want to go to 64. I'm going to go to 70. Push enter, and you can see I've now actually made a giant cube. So I have a giant cube of planks. Let's try another one. So, got my paper and my pencil. I'm at 23, 69, 64, negative 36. And if I walk this way, that first number is increasing. So I'm going to do slash TP 23, 69, 64, negative 36. And then we'll do 23, 80, 64. Actually, in this case, I'm going to go up. So I'm from 64 to 79, and then negative 36. And I'm going to fill it with, oops, I didn't want to do TP. I wanted to do fill. So I'm using the arrow, fill. There we go. I'm going to fill it with glass. So I have slash fill. Then I have my 3 sets of coordinates for my starting point, my 3 sets of coordinates for my ending point, and then what I'm gonna fill it with. And you're going to see that I've made a wall of glass. And it's really nice because it's super fast.